Hi, my name is Wendy, and I'm one of the owners here at Patio Lane Outdoor Living. And I just wanted the opportunity to tell you the story behind the pillows that you may have received today, or if you have come in our showroom, the pillows that you maybe went home with. Because we do offer complimentary pillows to every customer that visits us in our showroom. So we do a lot of custom cushion and curtain orders, and inevitably there's always scrap fabric left. And we haven't felt right about wanting to put it in the garbage for those beautiful fabrics to end up in the landfill. So we thought, well, why not create something usable that can showcase our craftsmanship and can be something that we can give as a gift to the people who help, keep our family business going. So we hope that you feel good about having these pillows and knowing that you contributed to maybe someone learning how to sew, to less waste in our garbage in our landfills, and that you have a quality product that's handcrafted here in Clearwater, Florida, that you can use season after season.